In this problem, we are to find the missing numbers in a table. The missing numbers are right here in the table on the X column and in the Y column. It gives us one other really important piece of information. It says to assume a linear relationship. A linear relationship. Now, what does it mean to assume a linear relationship? Well, later in your algebra studies, you'll learn that a linear relationship is a straight line when graphed. But for this lesson, let's just go with a linear relationship. It means that the numbers will change at a constant rate, or another way to state that, they will change by the same amount. So in the table, the first number to the second number, the 9 to 13, how much change occurs here? I mean, how much does it grow by? It looks like 9 plus 4 will give me 13. You can also find this by saying 13 subtract 4 will give me 9. Likewise, at the bottom of the table, we can also see that 25 plus 4 equals 29. In the x side, you can see that 0 to 1 is a change of 1, and 4 to 5 is also a change of 1. So how does this help us find the missing numbers in the table? Now remember that it says to assume a linear relationship. That means that the amount of change will be the same throughout the entire table. So in other words, the amount of change between 13 and our first missing number should also be 4. So what would that be? What's 13 plus 4? Well, of course, 13 plus 4 is 17. And the amount of change continues throughout the table. So we should assume also that, because it's a linear relationship, that 17 plus 4 will give us our next missing number. And if 17 plus 4 is, of course, 21. And here you'll notice 21 plus 4 gives us 25. It's always good to check the bottom part here just to make sure that our pattern continues. Each number should be an increase of 4 because that is our amount of change or our rate of change. On this side of the table, the same thing should occur. This is all a plus 1, so it's probably a little more obvious to you that these numbers are 2 and 3. So there you have it. Find the missing numbers in the table. The key to these problems is that the relationship is linear. That means the amount of change in either column will be the same amount, or it will change at a constant rate.